Guys, what's up? So fourth time is a charm. This is now the fifth time we've been near this resistance around the $4,000 range. We hit it early in March and then in June and then again in December last year, and then finally we're back at it again. I don't think we're gonna break it exactly this time right now, as in this day, this hour, this moment, but I do believe we will eventually break it. I think that this is just a small subwave that's about to end right now, and we're most likely going to get a small correction before we end up moving higher to the upside. I see this higher low trend line that's most likely going to break to the downside, and I also see this channel. That's why I decided to enter a small short position. I'm not really that confident about it, but I did enter with about $400,000. I'm gonna get out of it though. To be quite honest, I'm not feeling confident about it, so I'm just gonna get out of this short of mine, and just get out of it, right? So I didn't really make much on this trade. I kind of broke even on it. Actually, how much did I make? Let's see. 1 second, it'll update. There we go. It updated. I made $1,317 on it, but I lost 240 earlier. Here are some of my wins: 24.61, 34.10, $2,000, 117, 4,200, 1,600, 500, 6,000, 7,300, 1,200, 4,300, 16,000, and it just keeps going on and on and on. I'm on about a $70,000 win streak right now. So let me give you guys my professional thoughts about this market as a day trader and technical analyst. I think that this channel, do you see the white channel right now? It's most likely going to hold a little bit. I don't see this as the wave that breaks up this particular moment. Unfortunately, I don't see it, guys. Maybe later this week, or maybe this like the second, third week. I'm sorry to tell you guys this, but we're probably gonna maybe get a retracement a little bit first, maybe down to over here, and then we're gonna eventually fly. It's a possibility, not a guarantee, right? I'm just trying to guess what's gonna happen. I mean, I don't see the momentum to rally right now. Ethereum needs Bitcoin to rally. Ethereum really does. They should be counter rallying together usually. But as you can see now, Bitcoin is reaching that higher or that lower high. And because it reached that lower high right there, it looks like Bitcoin's just not ready to break quite up yet. So because of that, I just think that we're most likely going to correct further until this consolidation finishes. And then once it finishes, then Bitcoin will decide a direction along with Ethereum. But right now, even though I'm wrong, and I humbly accept that I'm wrong about the $3,200, right? We were much more bullish than I thought. But if you just kind of look right now, even if this was a corrective wave, this is most likely only three waves, right? You can kind of see it hesitating now. I could have stayed in that short a lot longer and won it probably, but you can see that that's probably a three that's rejecting at the resistance, and you can actually see this trend line. By the way, guys, thank you very much for watching this video of mine and for joining me. For those that don't know me, my name is Phil, or Philakone for my full name, and I've been a day trader now and in crypto for over 10 years. So thank you for joining me. My job is to day trade. That's how I capitalize in the market. That's what I'm known for. And secondly, I'm known as somebody that hodls long term as well. But more so known as a scalper. That's how I made my reputation and my living. I grew up in Canada, and now I live in Turkey. And my job is to try to help you guys navigate. I want to pass down some wisdom, pass down some knowledge, and hopefully I can share some of my experiences and see some of the successes through you guys. And you know, it's really good to have experienced people. It's good to watch lots of experienced people gather information from this person, from that person, learn from him, learn from her, especially if they have experience, because it's going to ultimately cultivate the person that you will become or can become in crypto, right? The goal of crypto is to alleviate a lot of the burdens of modern day society, and I hope that I can help you guys do this. So the profits that I showed you earlier of a $70,000 win streak, that is very normal for me, right? I've developed the skills and they will never leave me. So this does look like we're about to just not break it yet right now, okay? I could have stayed in this short and I'd be up like 4 or 5K right now, but I just want to tell you guys that Ethereum is not ready to break up yet. It's not ready. Please take my word on this, okay? It was soon. So I originally did call Ethereum for 3,200. Actually, a lot of people thought it was going to happen, guys, to be quite honest, okay? The reason for that is because, well, if you take a look at the correction based off of Fibonacci, okay, based off of Fibonacci retracement, 3,200 would have been a very reasonable correction, right around that 3,200 range. It would have been only at a 382 Fibonacci, which happens to hit a lot of the times. But we were so bullish on Ethereum that we didn't hit it, and we barely hit between 236 and 382 Fib, which is a very good sign for Ethereum because it shows that the bulls are in control, that there's a little dip. If we ended up dipping further than 3,200, it would have implied a lot of weakness, and the next wave might not have gone nearly as well as we wanted to. So this is how I see Ethereum right now. Ethereum is the power play that we're going to be making soon, okay, everybody? So I do feel bad that we didn't hit 3,200. It would have been an amazing accumulation period, but also know that trying to predict is not nearly as good as reacting. Many people were waiting for 3,200 and it didn't fill. The bulls just didn't let it get to that price point. But as long as we react accordingly and we make decisions, we can easily still capitalize heavily on this market. So this is what I'm believing the market's going to do. I think we're going to reach a top sometime in September. Like, I think right now that this is most likely making the first wave of 5, September, October range. So this is going to make the first wave of 5. Okay, something like that. Then we'll probably bounce off of a retest. So we're going to do maybe something like that even, right? Maybe, of course, it's going to be more elongated, I would say. Might even be slower paced. But I'm just giving you like a little prediction of getting to about the $4,800 range. Because if you look right now, if this was an impulse wave up, it's only on the third wave of 5. There's still one more to go. There's going to be a lot of corrections along the way. You can't always expect everything to go up and up and up. There's going to be little dips, but these dips, if you're hodling for the bigger picture, they shouldn't be bothering you in any way at all. So I'm right now, the way that I'm approaching the market is I'm day trading with my group. I'm not holding anything long term right now. It's past the point of safe measures, too much risk, too much exposure to hold anything very long term right now, even short term, in my opinion, because that's where everybody gives back all of their profits. They give back their profits to the market because they don't know when to exit. And they do a complete 180 degrees, right? Or sorry, not 180, a 360, a full 360 back. You always hear of those stories where people are up like 50 grand, 100 grand, and they started with like a few $100s, and then they just completely round tripped everything back because they got too greedy. They didn't know how to take profits. And I'm here to tell you guys that day trading is one of the best ways, as long as you have the skills to capitalize in the market. I believe that with these skills, they stay with you for life. And that's why I prefer to day trade right now. I have something called the Platinum Tier Group. And the Platinum Tier Group is where I day trade and I live stream my desktop. Okay. So just for example, somebody that just joined, right? They just joined the group. I opened up the slots for 2 more people. He said, "This was my first live trade I have seen. What an epic lesson you gave us. Thank you." Right. So what I do is I tell them, guys, I'm streaming for Magic. That's the coin I traded today for 2 minutes. Get ready to join. Won't wait for you. And then I link it from YouTube. Right? Every day is a new link for the Platinum Group. And then I live stream. And then I show everybody my desktop. I tell them when I'm about to go into the position. I tell them when I'm exiting. I narrate the trade. And it's golden. I'm telling you. People are like, people love the streams, man. Right? Like this guy Wiz is like, the lesson at the end is pure gold. One for the 5 stars archive, can rematch it over and over, right? So I'm always trying to get you guys to another level. The cost to join it is $2,500 for 6 months. I know it sounds like it's a lot, but you're now getting yourself onto another magnitude, another caliber of trading. So come join me, guys. $2,500 for 6 months. Once it expires in 6 months, just renew it. Renew it one more time with me. Put your trust in me and I'll never have to ask for it again. And then you're going to get a lifetime membership if you renew it with me. Then you'll get to trade with me throughout the entire bear market and the next bull market again, which I plan to do very well in because every year, man, it's just gaining more and more skills. So Ethereum looks like it's going to dip a little bit more. We just found a pretty major 2% rejection. That's big. I know it doesn't sound like it's big, but it was a very large sell-off there for now, okay? If Ethereum makes another high, I'm probably going to short it with one more subwave. Right now, Bitcoin, we all know where it stands. It's creating this lower high structure that really needs to be broken. That's why I'm always moving this lower high alert of mine in tandem with Bitcoin and that lower high pattern. So when it breaks up there, it's gonna skyrocket and we'll be aware of it. The coin I traded today, just to talk about day trading very quickly, was a coin called Magic. Magic made basically 5 perfect Elliott wave patterns. If you've missed the video, you can watch it on YouTube. I posted it already, and yeah, it made 5 perfect waves, and then after that, it just finished. So I caught a 3% drop on a 90K position, but it ended up dropping significantly more than that, and I regret not riding it further. It ended up dropping 16%, and I caught about 2 to 3%, which is a little bit funny in hindsight, right? But it's not really a day I want to trade. I need to pack. I'm heading to Canada soon for 10 days. So other than that, guys, just wanted to catch you up very quickly with the Ethereum market and also Bitcoin. And time for you guys to join my Platinum tier group. Take a look at the link below. You will not be disappointed. I look forward to having you as my students. Bye now.